Welcome Ivorian customers to Eager LED. We are very happy to take this opportunity to meet you and invite you to visit our LED display showroom and production workshop to show customers our mature production technology and good product performance. The showroom displays are different types of LED displays, covering different scene requirements, such as rental screens, transparent screens, indoor displays, and outdoor displays. Customers spoke highly of our production process and showed great interest in different types of displays. We introduced the characteristics, advantages, and various usage scenarios of each LED display to customers in detail, providing them with more choices. Through this visit, Ivorian customers have a deeper understanding of our technology, strength, and product advantages, and have strengthened their confidence in choosing Eager LED. We also welcome you to visit Eager LED to learn more about the display screen.